Hi friends, the special case letters. This concept is especially in Malayalam, but it is also formed recently only. They are called chillaksharas. Uh, those like concept is not there before like that in my research I have got. So these are some letters where to use, how to use also today we will find. Firstly, letters we will see. Ik, this ik at the ending or in this case ku ku batundu popundu. In this case, we can use these letters. This is a for currently understanding. I am using this letter as chillakshara. So, using this chillakshara, we can write barik at ending barik. It's not barik, barik. So there we can use some special letters can possible. Those things we will see. Mm, ku. Next, gu. This have possibility like this. Gu, ku. We will see again. This like this is ku. Example barik, adegu. Next gu. Gu is like this. In Malayalam it is lu. But in Tulu, those doesn't change. However, the shape of ga is there. If we give this Tilu, it will become gu only. Okay, next possibility. If we have to write a g, we have to use this only. There is no possibility of Chillu letter with these letter. Only few letters are there we can use in Chillus. Those like ta. Ta how will become u. In the place of this, we can write as this too. We will see another letter and two letters we will write. It is ana. No. In this place, we can write as this. Chillu. So how to write this is ta, like this. Tu, tu. Next, no, like this. No, kannu, kannanatu, manu, like that. Examples. Baritu, taki, ba, ri, tu. Like this, how to come. Actually, there, what is the letter? To, buried to this case. Next, uh, ta. In place of this, we can write to. Next, da. In the place of this, we can write the, and next na. So this will be, in Malayalam it is lu, but in Tulu it is tu, tu. Next du, du. I'm showing writing also because many can see printed letters, but they don't know how to write. So if we write, it will be easy to learn. That's why. And next another possibility is ra. Instead of this, we can write r. It is very simple, just like this. This is r. And next, many combination letters also have these possibilities. Those are nka, nya plus ka, u. Instead of this, we can write yang. Those times it will be useful. So how to write this is like this. This. So this is nka. Next, t, ta combination. K also will come na. Nick, like this. And another combination, ta. Next combination. It will become like this. So k, how to write Nick? Those times we use this like this. Again, I will show how to come like this, like this, like this. This is k. Next t, like this. I will show you again how to come like this, like this. Or it will be like this. This is two. Next, two, or no, two, ta. Instead of this, we can write like this, like this. Two, ana, ta, like this. Ana, ta. T. Next, two. Instead of this, we can use this. Next, instead of this, no. So how to type this? Right. Next round, next round. Third round, it have to give upper curl. No. No. Next. Nt. Ka is ending na? Like this. Next. Nd. Mm. So this, how to write? Like this. Nt. Nd. Pandu. Pandu. Those time we have to use this. Like this. This is Nd. Next. Ma also have Chillu. M. How to write this? This will be somewhat different. This will be like this. We have to put this and have to put like this. Like this. This is M. Next, some letters are there like Surya. How can we write Surya in Kannada? We will write Su first Ya. This Rakar will come now. This Rakar will be there in Tulu also. Surya. I will write same in this also. Okay. Actually, we have to put this symbol. But if it is combined with Ya, it will become like this. Or else mm, Ka. Surka. Ka. If this Rakar will be there with Ka, it will comes upper side. If it will come with the Y combination, it will come like this. And Y combination and Va combination is there. Only for two this will change. V- Va. So Riya or Va we have to write means we have to write like this. Firstly coming like this, like this. This is Riya. Come like this, like this, like this. This is Riya and Rva, Sarva. Those times we will use Va like this and like this. This will be Rva. Only these two cases only this will used. All the other cases, if this line and above a letter only will come, like uh, Marka, some random letters I am taking. Rka, Rka, Margo, like this only we will write this upper letter, upper one line will come for Rakar, as in Kannada. So these are the these I just naming as Chillu letters, but it is not their concept like Chillu letters in Tulu. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.